Every single thought you have about yourself is either building you up or tearing you down. There is no neutral ground. The Stoics understood something that most people never discover in their entire lives. The conversation you have with yourself is the most important conversation you will ever have. More important than what your boss thinks. More important than what your family says. More important than the opinions of the entire world. Because at the end of the day, when everyone else has gone home and the noise has faded, you are left alone with one voice, your own. And if that voice has been conditioned to speak to you with doubt, with fear, with constant criticism, it will destroy you from the inside out. But if you learn to speak to yourself the way the Stoics did, with clarity, with discipline, with ruthless honesty and quiet confidence, everything changes. The research is clear. The average person has between 60,000 and 80,000 thoughts per day. And for most people, up to 80% of those thoughts are negative. 80%. That means most people are at war with themselves every single day, and they don't even know it. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts, not your circumstances, not your bank account, the quality of your thoughts." Self-talk is the operating system of your life, and most people have never once updated it. Epictetus was born a slave. He had no freedom, no money, no status. But he had one thing no one could take from him: his mind. He wrote, "Men are disturbed not by the things which happen, but by the opinions about the things." Your circumstances are not your problem. Your narrative about your circumstances is your problem. Someone insults you. The circumstance is neutral, but immediately your self-talk kicks in. "I'm not good enough. I'm a failure. Everyone saw that." That's not reality. That's your mind creating a story. The Stoic practice is to intercept that story before it takes over, to examine it, to question it, and replace it with something true. There are 5 phrases rooted in Stoic philosophy that, if you say them to yourself daily, will change how you move through the world. These are not empty affirmations. These are orientations, anchors for your mind when the world tries to pull you under. Phrase 1. This is not happening to me. It is happening for me. The Stoics called this amor fati, the love of fate. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "A blazing fire makes flame and brightness out of everything that is thrown into it. The fire doesn't resist the wood, it uses it. It burns brighter because of it. Every obstacle is material for your growth. Every rejection is redirection. Every difficulty is an opportunity to practice your philosophy." Phrase 2. I control my response, nothing else. Epictetus opened his handbook with this. Some things are in our control, and others not. You can't control whether people like you. You can't control the economy. You can't control what happened to you growing up. But you can control how you respond to all of it. When anxiety rises, when anger flares, when fear grips you, say it. I control my response, nothing else. And then choose deliberately. Phrase 3. I am enough for what today requires. Most people wake up feeling fundamentally deficient. Not smart enough, not far enough along, not ready yet. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Confine yourself to the present, not the future version of you, not the version with more money and more confidence, the present you, with the tools you have right now. You don't need to be perfect to handle today. You need to be present. I am enough for what today requires." Phrase 4. Difficulty is the path, not the obstacle. We live in a culture that worships comfort. We want the results without the resistance, the achievement without the struggle. And when difficulty appears, our self-talk says, "This shouldn't be this hard. Maybe I'm not meant for this." Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. The obstacle is the path. The resistance is what makes you stronger." When you hit difficulty today, say it. Difficulty is the path, not the obstacle. And then keep moving. Phrase 5. I am becoming every single day. The Stoics did not believe in a fixed self. You were not assigned a character and forced to live it out. You were given the capacity to reason, to choose, and to become. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." Every action you take today is a vote for the person you are becoming. The person who trains for 20 minutes today is becoming an athlete. The person who chooses patience today is becoming patient. You are not stuck. You are not finished. You are not defined by yesterday. You are becoming every single day. So here is how you put this into practice. Every morning, before you check your phone, before the world fills your mind with its noise, take 5 minutes. Say one of these phrases. Write it down. Mean it. Throughout the day, when a negative pattern fires, catch it. Ask, is this true? Is this useful? Is this in my control? If not, don't give it your consent. And every evening, before sleep, ask yourself one question. Did I speak to myself today like someone worth becoming? Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." He wrote that as emperor, as a man who had faced wars, plagues, betrayal, and the weight of an empire. And at the end of it all, the truth he returned to was this: the power is in the mind. You cannot control the world outside, but you can control the world within. Start today, not Monday. Today. If this video helped you, subscribe. We post Stoic wisdom every week for people serious about building a stronger mind. You are not what happened to you. You are what you choose to become every single day.